so cold. I'm lost.
Let's go home. The kids are waiting.
I miss the kids too. Wait, Mark, look over there, in that corner.
What did you see? Why are you rushing?
I saw a boy sitting on the street corner in the rain. There he is.
Dad, Mom, where is everyone?
Hey, kid. Are you okay? Where's your mother? It's raining and so cold.
I don't know, I've lost them, and now I'm hungry and tired. Don't cry anymore. Come to our house. You'll be safe there until you find your parents. Let's go home.
Your clothes are wet. Change into something new so you don't catch a cold.
Yes, thank you. Mom and Dad, who is that? Why is he in our house?
Tom, Anna, this is Leo. He'll be here for a while until he finds his parents.
Leo, this is Tom and Anna.
Hello, everyone. Hi, Leo. I'm Tom. Do you like playing games? Yes, I like playing games. Thank you.
Who is this boy? Why is he in my house and wearing my brother's clothes?
Don't be shy, my friend. Eat a lot.
Tom's right, Leo. Eat more, you need to be healthy, and you've been out in the rain for quite a while.
This is for you, Leo. Welcome to the family.
Thank you all so much. His plate is full and mine is empty. He even got a gift. Get him, get him. We almost got it. Yes! We did it!
Poor little boy. Sleep well, my love. Your parents must be worried and searching for you.
I'm starting to hate him. He's taking up all of my parents' time.
Well done, Leo. You have a natural talent.
Tom never plays with me anymore since he arrived. It's always Leo.
Okay, great job on that section. Now, what about this one here?
I think I got it. Look.
That's perfect. You are doing so well.
Leo, you're very smart. I have a little reward for you.
Those candies are usually only for me. Anna, do you want some candy? I'll give you some. I don't want it. You take it yourself.
Leo, don't be sad. Anna just needs some time to get used to you.
It's such a beautiful day today, and let's have a picnic here.
Mom and Dad, we're gonna play soccer for a bit, and the grass here is amazing.
Okay, kids, play carefully and remember to keep an eye on Anna.
They don't care about me. They only care about him, Leo. I'm leaving.
Oh, it's so late and Anna still hasn't come back to the tent.
This forest is very dangerous. Where could she have gone?
I saw her going this way just now. Dad, Mom, we have to go find her right away. It's getting dark so fast, now I don't know which way home.
Anna! Anna, where are you?
Anna! Anna, answer us!
I think we should split up and search for the girl. That would be more effective.
Is this Anna's hair tie? Yes. She must be nearby. Let's go find her. Anna. Anna. Can you hear me? Anna. Anna, I'm here. Don't cry anymore. Everything will be all right.
Tom.
How did you find me, Tom? It's so dark in this forest.
Oh, it's all thanks to Leo. He found your ribbon hanging on the tree.
What? Leo led everyone to find you? And yet you treated him so badly. Anna, thank goodness. Are you all right? Leo, I'm sorry for treating you badly, but you still treated me well and even saved me.
It's okay, Anna. I'm not angry with you.
Anna, where are you? Where are you? There she is. She's here.
Dad, Mom, I'm really sorry. I thought you didn't care about me anymore, so I ran away without asking permission.
Anna, we're also sorry for not paying attention to your feelings.
Yes, we're partly to blame too.
Leo, you're her hero. I'm really happy that she doesn't hate me anymore. Leo, thank you so much. It's okay, Anna. It's all over now. Let's hug again.
Okay, kids, let's go home. Everyone's tired today.
You three seem very tired today, but I'm so happy that Anna loves Leo so much.
Yes, she's no longer jealous of him. I see Leo is very happy about that too.
Climb up, I dare you to catch me. Where are you? Where are you? I'm right in front of you, Leo.
Here you go, son. Eat up.
Wow, thanks, Dad. This looks amazing.
Save room for some salad, too.
We are interrupting this broadcast with an urgent missing child alert. Police are asking for the public's help locating 10-year-old Jonathan Davis.
Is that Leo?
Finally, we've got news from his parents.
Yes, let's contact them quickly.
Yes, that's right. The boy is healthy. We'll bring him in for verification.
Did your parents put up an advertisement on television to find you? Leo, you're finally gonna see your parents. Dad, Mom, I missed you both so much.
We're so sorry we let you get lost, and we missed you so much too.
Dad, Mom, these are my heroes. They love me and have taken care of me for the past few days.
Thank you to your family for taking care of our son.
We were very willing and very fond of the boy.
I'll miss you so much, Leo. You're such a wonderful brother.
Don't cry. Study hard, Anna.
Take care, Leo.
Hey, Leo.
When you're in crowded places, always stay close to your parents.
Goodbye, Leo. Visit us soon.
Everyone, take care. Goodbye, Leo. It's a shame I didn't get to compete in a swimming race with him. If you weren't so selfish and jealous, you would have had more time to play with him. Kindness is never a waste of time. Don't be jealous. Treat everyone well.
Jealousy is a negative thing, everyone.
If you see someone who needs help, Help them. It could change your life.
Thank you for watching.
And remember,
Treat everyone around you well, especially your siblings.
Goodbye.